Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's December 31st. Want to wish everybody a happy New Year's Eve. We are off tomorrow. Markets will be closed, and I want to wish everybody a safe New Year's. The grains this morning starting off a little bit lower. Corn down about 4.25 cents. Beans dropping back about 14 cents, with wheat down about 8. So we are finding more technical selling for corn. We are still holding last week's lows, though, but certainly doesn't look good here as far as the technical front. Beans dropping back 14, maybe a little bit more of a hangover from last week's weaker export sales, pushing things down as well. And then wheat kind of following suit. Now, there were no deliveries on the January contracts, so we'll see how the trade wants to deal with that. Also in the news, came out yesterday that they are going to extend, they're just extending out the farm bill, or kicking the can down the road, as they were saying. But we did get an extension on that. Now, as far as a financial front, we do not have anything done here yet with this fiscal cliff. That's still going to be talked about here today. The media is going to be covering that pretty heavy, and it just seems like you're not going to get that sense of buying, or an urge of buying, while it keeps people on edge. So we'll see what happens with that, but there is no deal done yet. A lot of guys expecting us to go over this cliff, but we'll see if today some kind of news can come out to benefit us here as far as that. But as of right now, nothing is done. The dollar right now up about 8 cents. You got crude oil down about 45 cents today. So a little bit weaker there. That relationship still holds. If the dollar ends up working lower, you could probably see crude oil try to work a little higher if that's the case. But in the livestock, probably going to see a little bit lower move today. Cattle, calling that steady, maybe a little bit easier. Cash cattle trade last week was a little bit stronger, but we do expect some lighter trade here today. We did have a hog and pigs report out there on Friday. That did come out negative for the hogs. We did find the breeding herds that they were expecting to be a little bit smaller ended up coming out showing expansion. And that's going to be the biggest surprise off that report. So looking for hogs to maybe open up a little bit lower as well. But as I mentioned, lighter trade, probably going to see some light trade across the board here today. And as we get into this new year, hopefully see that the volume pick back up here after the first. But today, expecting lighter trade. Give us a call with any questions you have. I want to invite you guys to our conference that's coming up. That's approaching quickly, end of January 25th and 26th. And we've got great speakers that will be there. David Hightower, Drew Lerner. He's a weather guy that we follow very closely, does a great job for us, as well as Rich Nelson, our head research guy. And give us a call at 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day, and we'll talk a little later. We'll see you.